नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. Today topic is carbolic acid medicine, common name phenol. Carbolic acid is a powerful irritant and anesthetic, a languid, foul, painless, destructive remedy, stupor, paralysis of sensation and motion, feeble pulse and depressed breathing, death due to paralysis of respiratory centers. It acts primarily on the central nervous system, increased olfactory sensibility, produce mental and bodily languor, disinclination to study with headache like a band, very marked acuteness of smell is a strong guiding symptom. Stomach symptoms are also important. Pains are terrible, come and go suddenly. Physical exertion brings on abscess somewhere. Putrid discharges, other medicine, bacteria, scarlet fever with marked tendency to destruction of tissue internally and fetid odor, spasmodic cough, arthritis, head symptom, disinclined to mental work, tight feeling as if compressed by a rubber band, other medicine gelcinium, orbital neuralgia over right eye, headache, better by green tea while smoking, nose symptom, smell very acute, putrid discharge, uzina with fever and ulceration, influenza and resulting debility, throat symptom, ulcerated patches on inside of lips and cheeks, burning in mouth to stomach, focus red and covered with exudation, uvula whitened and shriveled, putrid discharge, almost impossible to swallow, diphtheria, fetid breath, regurgitation on swallowing liquids, but little pain, other medicine, bacteria, face, dusky red, white about mouth and nose, rapid sinking of vital force, stomach symptom, appetite lost, desire for stimulant and tobacco, constant bletching, nausea, vomiting, dark olive green, heat, rise up esophagus, flatulent distension of stomach and abdomen, painful flatulence, often marked in one part of bowel, sulfocarbonate of soda, fermentative dyspepsia with bad taste and breath, stool constipation with very offensive breath, bloody like scraping of intestines, great tenesmus, diarrhea, stool thin, black, putrid, urine almost black, diabetes, irritable bladder in old men with frequent urination at night of probable prostatic nature, use 1x. Female symptom, discharges always offensive, other medicine nitric acid, Nux vomica, sepia, pustules about vulva containing bloody pus, agonizing backache across loins with dragging down thighs, pain in left ovary, worse walking in open air, erosion of cervix, fitted acrid discharge, leukorrhea in children, other medicine, cannabis sativa, Merck, pulsatilla, sepia, purpurar fever with offensive discharge, irritating leukorrhea, causing itching and burning, other medicine, creosote, extremities, cramps in forepart of leg, close to tibia during walking, knowing pain in shin bone, arthritis, skin symptom, itching vesicles with burning pain, burns tends to ulcerate. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.